Now this is how you can separate audio in your iPad's Capcut. Let's get started. If you are new on the Foxtecc channel, most definitely subscribe so you don't miss tutorials like this one. So in your timeline, make sure you have your clip selected at the bottom, and more things are going to appear right here. So you'll be able to get access to all of these buttons. And I just want you to scroll through them and basically find the extract audio, right? So it has this icon of like square with the play button inside. So you can do it like that, and the audio layer will be separated like that. So you'll be able to see the wavelengths and everything like that. And now the audio is no longer attached to the video, right? So you can do some different things with it. You can, for example, shorten it down or move it to some other area of the project, or obviously apply some effects to just the audio layer. So that's how it works. As you could see, there is like a little icon next to it. So it's just like letting me know that the extract audio is like a paid feature, right? So it's not really part of your main like free subscription. So it kind of depends on which one you have. There are also some free uses for that feature. So as I say, it kind of depends, but this is how you can do it within Capcut. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to successfully do this. For more questions, leave a comment below and stay tuned by subscribing because you don't want to miss tutorials like this one.